Good afternoon, everybody. And now our pageant today is San Juan, because very nice place. Now our pageant today is Miss Universe here. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our contestant in any kinds of planet. And planet Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, Mercury, Earth, and Pluto, and other planet. Now, I'm your host from Solar System, Dudung Junjo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our Rampa, our Miss Universe contestant, and any kind of name and planet. Now, Rampa, here on stage.
The name is Papi Birdie, representing planet Earth. My name is Renz. Ikan ko sa My name is Renz. Ikan ko sa Venus. Hi, my name is Archila G from the city of Daghang Adik, Mercury Drive. Hi, my name is Dokya. I'm from Saturn, and I thank you. Hi, my name is Stephanie and I came from Mars, and I thank you.
My name is Tuskia from planet of Pluto, and I'm thank you.
Hi, my name is Tick Girl from the city of Neptunes.
Once again, good afternoon, and thank you so much, our Miss Universe contestant. Let's proceed to our question and answer portion. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our contestant number 1 from Miss Earth. Wow, very nice, very tall,
So
and
handsome, pogi,
dark.
guwapo. Kamananggot.
Very handsome.
Humpay.
Okay,
Okay, I'm
where
ready for
from?
the...
Where are you from?
I'm from planet Earth, by the way.
Planet Earth. Okay, now because you are very beautiful
Oh
and
my
very,
God, I'm very thank you.
very tall,
Yeah, thank you.
very tall girl, and then I give you an answer and
Strong.
question.
Oh, okay, no
So
problem.
I give you question.
Okay.
And you can answer.
Okay.
Question about Earth.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Where is the house of Lapu-Lapu?
The house of love is in Mactan City.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
you, Pogi.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Our next contestant from planet Venus. What? It's a big wet. Okay, you're very big wet. Okay,
Yes.
where are you from?
Venus.
Venus. Okay, I will give you answer from planet Venus.
Yes.
Who is the president of planet Venus?
Bars.
Mars. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Next contestant from Mercury. Wow, very nice, your toto is very okay. It's very
Thank you, thank
and
you.
very like this. Your toto. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Mercury.
Okay, from Mercury. Okay. I give you a question from your Earth. Okay. What is the dangerous drug of your Mercury?
The dangerous drug of mercury is paracetamol biogesic.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Coke. It's a Coke. Our next contestant from Saturn. Wow, it's very, very, very baboon. Baboon.
Thank you.
Okay. Hey, Miss, where are you from?
I'm from Saturn.
Saturn. Okay. I give you a question. The planet Saturn is a very big circle. What kind of circle that?
Thank you for your question. The circle is very nice and very big.
Thank you. Bye-bye. And now, our next contestant came from Mars. Wow, hi, hello. Hi, where are you from?
I came from Mars.
Okay, from Mars. Okay, Mars is a man.
Yes.
Okay, how many liters in Mars?
2.
Okay. Okay, our next contestant, okay, from Pluto. Hi guys, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay,
How are you?
Where are you from? From solar system.
Yes.
And where are you from?
I'm from Pluto. Thank you very much.
From Pluto. Okay.
How about you? Where are you from?
From solar system. Okay. And then your planet is Pluto.
Yes.
Where is the planet Pluto?
The planet Pluto is now very far away because that's it.
Okay, thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our last contestant from planet Neptune. Wow, you can turn. Wow, very mini white and black. Okay.
Yes.
How are you, girl?
I'm good.
Okay. Where are you from, girl?
I'm good. I'm from Neptune.
I'm from Neptune. Okay. About Neptune, what is the kind of cigarettes last tune?
The cigarettes of the last tune is licking.
Yay! Go, girl! Okay. Is our talent. Okay, now our next pageant is our talent. Okay, let's proceed our talent. Ladies and gentlemen, please good afternoon once again. Our last talent today, our contestant Miss Universe. Please come first.
So my talent is dancing. And I'm gonna dance a big boy. I want a big boy. I want a big boy. I want a big boy. Oh my God! Thank you.
Next. Okay, our next contestant, come forward. Okay.
Don't sa kaday.
Thank you.
Okay, our next contestant, our talent today.
Ako si Takuri, gamay ug dako. Kini ang ipisa, kini ang ipisa. Kung mubuka, amo kulo-kulo.
Our next talent from Saturn.
My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head.
Our contestant from Saturn. Okay, another contestant from Mars. Okay, let's give her a big round of applause.
Hi, my talent is dancing. Scurry. Thank you.
Thank you so much from Mars. Okay, another contestant from planet Pluto.
Hey guys, I'm going to dance the It's a Beautiful Life. Oh, it's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. May God and I say the sunshine. Hey, and I thank you.
Okay, thank you so much from planet Pluto. And now our last contestant. Okay, from planet Mercury. Ladies, Neptune. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, sorry mga do. Planet Neptune.
My talent is sayawit. If we ever broke up, I wanna be sad. Take it up.
Thank you so much. Yay! Ladies and gentlemen, and now our awarding our trophy, our Earth, any kind of planet, our awarding today. And let's back. And our panel of judges, and there are in solar system also. And thank you so much, panel of judges. Our panel of judges in solar system. Okay, solar system number 1. Our panel of judges. What can you see our contestant and universe?
So as what I've seen in the pageant, they are very nice, very confident and very talented. Pero naray usang murag gahuraw-huraw ba kay murag mag-amahan ng gahuraw-huraw siyang anak kay dago maglawas apil-apil sa pageant. So that's all I can say about the pageant. Thank you.
Ay, okay naman to sa pag rampa-rampa nila sa kuan. Dahil usa nga
wala ko ka angayan siyang pagkantuyok kay murag na buyod na to siya paglantaw na ako. Murag siguro gyapon turon siya.
I'm about I like the green one because she's small and petite and beautiful. I like the others like their kay mga bati mo gusto naonggod katurang green akong nabet gyud.
I like everyone because they are very beautiful, you know. And I think the last one is the winner.
Okay, thank you judges for your comment, and let's have proceed our giving us trophy our talent today. Okay, this is our trophy for coming our Miss Universe. This is our trophy gold from dinosaurs, and also our Saturn kind of gold. Okay, thank you so much our sponsoring. Our final judgment for our Miss Universe this afternoon. Now, please welcome our Miss Universe this afternoon. And I will give trophy and the backbone of dinosaurs and our universe, and the gold of Saturn medalist I give to Miss
Ako na oy, ako ana.
Miss Neptune. Oy, clap, please, clap. Miss Neptune, this is your trophy and this is your gold. Thank you so much, and now thank you for our contestant and Miss Universe, and I will back tomorrow.